To download Facebook Messenger on your iPad, we'll start by finding the App Store. You can either find the App Store on your home screen, or if you're not sure where to find it, you can always use the search. Just swipe down from the middle of your screen and the search field opens. Then you'll type App Store and tap the App Store in the search results. This is the marketplace for all the apps on your iPad. You can either browse the lists of popular apps or use the search tool if you know exactly what you're looking for. I'm going to hit the search icon on the top of my screen, and from the search page, I'll then activate the text field so I can type in my search. I'll look for Facebook Messenger and it'll be the first result, outside of the ad that takes the first spot on top left. When I choose the app, you'll usually see a button that says Get right here. Mine shows this cloud with an arrow pointing down, which means that this app has been previously installed on my iPad and I can use this button to download it again. The reason why the button looks different for apps that have been downloaded in the past is that if you're dealing with an app that requires you to purchase it, seeing this cloud download button means you can download it back with no extra charge. Messenger is obviously free, but the buttons behave the same way regardless if you're looking at free or paid apps. If you're downloading the app for the first time, you'll usually be asked to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, and a lot of times after authenticating, the App Store will briefly flash a message saying, "Processing payment," which is super confusing but nothing to worry about. As long as the blue Get button did not include any price in it, it means the app is free and you won't be charged anything. Once the app is downloaded, you can open it from here, or you can find it from your home screen and open it from there. You can also move it on your home screen. Just tap, hold, and drag it to your preferred position. And that's how you download Messenger, or any app really. Click that like button if this helped, and why not subscribe as well? I post similar guides almost every day. Thanks all, until next time.